everyone. Hi Shalini. Hi Shrihita. Hi Guncha. Hi Raistar. Hi Himanshi. Hi Harini. Hi Anuradha. So, कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all, guys? Hi Mahesh, Kumkum, Ayushi, Himanshi. I am all good. Hi Tarun. Hi Richa. Hi Ayana. I am all good, guys. एकदम बढ़िया. आप लोग कैसे हैं? How are you guys? Hi Richa. Hi Astha. Hi Ria. Hi Ayushi. Hi Ujjwal. Hi Angel. So I hope that you all are doing well and you are taking care of yourself and your family members. Hi Rishika, Vanshika. So hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. As you all know, we are here for a better future. So let's start this session with some positive thought. The thought of the day is, it's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it. तो हमेशा दुख आपको नहीं तोड़ता, आप उसको कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो, that's what matters. So as I have already told you in the yesterday session that guys, your favorite master teachers will be coming live on 30th May on Vedantu platform to tell you everything about CMA and CWA. So if any one of you wants to become CMA, then please stay tuned for this live session that will be on 30th May at 12:30 p.m. So for that, please register yourself on the link that is given below. So guys, please stay home, please stay safe, stay healthy, and let's stop the spread of COVID. No Harsh, you are not late. Thank you, Raistar. Yes, Astha, you can ask me a favor. Hi, Soumya. Hi, Divakar. So today we are going to do part 4 of basic accounting concept, and now we will complete all the accounting concept. आज आपके accounting concept खत्म हो जाएंगे. It will be over in this session. Hi Shubham. So in case you guys are new to our channel, or if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe the channel, because otherwise you will not be able to watch our live session. So go and subscribe to the channel, and I would be really happy if you will take a moment to like this video and share this. So please hit the thumbs up button below and do share this video. मैम, आपके कल वाले सेशन में मैंने एक डाउट पूछा था, प्लीज उसका आंसर कर दीजिएगा. आपने अगर कमेंट्स बॉक्स में डाउट पूछा है तो मैं उसका आंसर दे दूंगी आफ्टर दिस सेशन. ओके, Hi Abhinav, a very good evening. Abhinav, good evening, good evening, good evening. But please don't write it again, huh? Hi Akash Pathak. Okay, तो कमेंट्स में मैं रिप्लाई कर दूंगी आपका आफ्टर दिस सेशन. हाय भूमिका. सो इफ यू वांट टू रिसीव आवर यूट्यूब नोट्स, अगर आपको ये सारे नोट्स पीडीएफ में चाहिए, देन प्लीज गो एंड जॉइन अस ऑन टेलीग्राम. द लिंक ऑफ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. तो चलिए आज का शेड्यूल देखते हैं. दिस इज योर शेड्यूल एंड यू आर हैविंग द लास्ट क्लास ऑफ द डे. So guys, as you all know, this is class 11. This is Udaan batch, and we all are ready to take the Udaan. We are ready to take the flight. So today we are going to continue our chapter number 3, theory base of accounting, and this is basic accounting concept part 4. तो ये क्या है? Part 4 है. So are we ready for part 4, guys? Are we all ready to take a flight? Okay, Raista, you are from PCM, but here you are for a knowledge. Okay. Hi, Amrita Varshini. Astha, the name of chapter is Theory Base of Accounting. And we are going to do basic accounting terms. Namaste, Ami. Hi, Sneha. So let's see that which of the concept we are going to discuss in this session. आज कौन से concepts हम लोग करेंगे? So today we will do conservatism concept, materiality concept, and objectivity concept. These three concepts will be discussed in this session. Conservatism, materiality, and objectivity. Vanshika, we are really sorry that it's very tough to provide handwritten notes because accountancy में हमें ज़्यादातर practical question solve करने होते हैं. Notes limited ही होते हैं. So notes चाहे handwritten हो चाहे printed हो कैसे भी हो, we are giving you as our language. So language matter करती है, चाहे वो handwritten हो चाहे वो computer written हो. Okay, Amrita, well done. So let's start this session now without any delay. Usha, you can simply click on that and there will be an option for download and you can download it. So starting the session with the first concept, the name of the concept is conservatism concept. The name is conservatism concept. So the basic principle behind this concept is, the main thing is anticipate all possible losses. Anticipate all possible losses, but do not anticipate possible profits. This is the main line of this concept. Anticipate means record all the possible losses but do not record possible profit. Ignore the possible profit. Anticipate means record. So record all the possible losses. Record all the possible losses and ignore the possible profits. Ignore the possible profits. Anticipate means record. Now, why are we doing that? हम सारे possible losses को record करेंगे. We will record all the possible losses. If we think that there will be loss by fire in the future, we will record that also. We will record all the expected losses. We will record all the possible losses. हम लोग सारे expected losses को record करेंगे, सारे future losses को record करेंगे. We will record all the future losses. We will record all the expected losses, but we will ignore the future profits. We will ignore the future expected profits. Now the question arises, why are we doing this? हम सारे losses को record कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम profits को ignore क्यों करेंगे? हम profits को ignore क्यों करेंगे? Because हम losses को इसलिए record कर रहे हैं ताकि हम safe रह सकें. This principle say that play safely. ये principle, ये concept कहता है कि ध्यान से खेलो. Play safely. So हम लोग सावधान रहने के लिए, safe रहने के लिए, सावधान और सतर्क रहने के लिए, you will record all the future and expected losses. But profits को record नहीं करोगे. You will not record the future profit. You will only record the profits when it is realized. प्रॉफिट्स को तभी रिकॉर्ड करोगे जब वो रियलाइज होंगे, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट रिकॉर्ड प्रॉफिट. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आने वाले टाइम में मेरी लॉटरी लगने वाली है तो आप उसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं करोगे. सो दिस इज conservatism concept, which says record all the future and expected losses, but do not record future profit. Ignore the future profit. We will only record the profit when they are realized. Okay? So, accounting conservatism is a principle. This is a principle that require company accounts to be prepared with caution and high degree of verification. This concept says that your company account should be prepared with caution, ध्यान से बनाने हैं, and high degree of verification. I think that ma'am has seen Crime Patrol. No, मैंने कोई Crime Patrol नहीं देखा, बस मुझे वो डायलॉग याद है. एंड लॉटरी लगेगी भी तो बिजनेस का तो नहीं होगा ना, बिजनेस की भी तो लॉटरी हो सकती है. जरूरी थोड़ी है कि ओनर अपनी पर्सनली लॉटरी लगाएगा, बिजनेस की भी लॉटरी होती है. सो ऑल दी प्रोबेबल, ऑल दी फ्यूचर लॉसेस आर रिकॉर्डेड व्हेन दे आर डिस्कवर्ड. जैसे ही हमें पता लगेगा कि आग लगने वाली है या कोई लॉस होने वाला है, एम्प्लॉयज आर थिंकिंग टू गो ऑन स्ट्राइक, एम्प्लॉयज हड़ताल पे जाने वाले हैं, वैसे ही हम सारे लॉसेस को रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे. यू विल रिकॉर्ड ऑल दी प्रोबेबल लॉसेस व्हेन दे आर डिस्कवर्ड, while but the gain can only be registered, gain can only be recorded when they are fully realized. तो प्रॉफिट्स को तभी रिकॉर्ड करोगे जब वो रियलाइज होंगे, वरना you cannot record it. So this is the meaning of conservatism concept. Yes, we will only record future losses but not future profit. Future profit आप record नहीं करोगे. So the concept of conservatism is also known as law of prudence. It is also known as law of प्रूडेंस. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लॉ ऑफ प्रूडेंस भी बोलते हैं. नो, इट डज नॉट कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट डिस्क्लोजर कॉन्सेप्ट. इट डज नॉट कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट बिकॉज disclosure concept says that you have to show all the information. You are showing it. You are showing all the information. Disclosure concept do not say that you have to record future profit also. Disclosure do not say that. Disclosure concept says that you have to record all the present information. So all the present information is recorded. It is not related to this concept. Okay? मगर अगर वो लॉसेस हुए ही नहीं जो आपने रिकॉर्ड करे तो उसको क्या करेंगे? फ्यूचर में वो लॉसेस होंगे तो आपको उसकी तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी ना. इफ देयर विल बी एनी लॉस इन फ्यूचर यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. अगर फ्यूचर में एग्जाम होते हैं तो एग्जाम बाद में होते हैं, हम तैयारी अभी से शुरू कर रहे हैं ना. तो सिमिलरली फॉर लॉसेस वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम नाउ. So the concept of conservatism, also known as law of prudence, it provides guidance. It provides guidance for recording of transaction in the books of account. It tells you how the transaction will be recorded in the books of account, and it is based on the policy of playing safe. ये कहता है ठीक से ध्यान से खेलो, play safe. Okay, so it is based on the policy of playing safe. And the concept states that a conscious approach should be adopted in ascertaining income so that profits of the enterprise are not overstated. So you have to record a conscious approach so that जो आपके profits है वो ज़्यादा ना दिखाए जाए, They are not overstated. So this is conservatism concept, which says that you have to record all the future losses but not future profit, because it is based on the policy of playing safe. Now tell me, is this concept clear to you? Is this concept clear? प्रॉफिट्स को ज्यादा नहीं दिखाया जाता वहां पे लॉसेस को अलग से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. अगर लॉसेस होगा तो आपको उसको घुमा फिरा के दिखाओगे, आप उसको घुमा के दिखाओगे, लॉसेस को दिखाओगे लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली दिखाओगे. Rahul, that we will do later. It is not right now in this chapter, provision for doubtful debt. So we will do that later in some other chapter. Yes, Himanshi, the second point says that the concept states that a conscious approach, a good approach should be adopted in finding out the income. You should choose a conscious approach, a good approach, while finding out the profits, so that your profits are not wrong, they are not overstated, they are not overvalued. Is it clear now? Is it clear, guys? Okay. Now coming on to the second concept of the day, the name is materiality concept. The name of second concept is materiality concept. Now the word material, it means important. The word material means important. Now what does this concept mean? What does this concept states? So the materiality concept, the materiality principle states that an accounting standard can be ignored. Accounting standard you can ignore if the net impact, if the net effect of doing so has such a small impact on the financial statement that a reader of the financial statement would not be misled. So this concept states that you can ignore an accounting standard. You can ignore an accounting standard if it has a little impact on your financial statement, and if by ignoring that concept, if by ignoring that principle, your users would not be misled. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि इस प्रिंसिपल को फॉलो करके कुछ ज्यादा बड़ा इफेक्ट नहीं आने वाला, बहुत छोटा सा इम्पैक्ट आने वाला है और हमारे यूजर्स मिसलीड नहीं होंगे, then you can ignore the concept. Then you can ignore the concept. We will come to the example. We will come to the example. So, the materiality concept means that something which is not important, something which is not important can be ignored. You have to focus only on the material fact. You have to focus, you have to put your efforts only on material fact, only on the material information. Material information. So now I will tell you those who are saying that this is in contradiction or full disclosure. I will give you example after these 2 points. Okay? So the concept of materiality requires that accounting should focus on the material fact. This concept says that we should focus on the important thing, and efforts should not be wasted in recording and presenting the facts which are immaterial in the determination of income. This concept says that you should not waste your efforts on the items which are not important, which are not important. अब बहुत सारे बच्चों को क्या लगता है, many of these students think that this is in contradiction of full disclosure, but it is not, guys. It is not in contradiction. Let's take an example why. For example, there is land and building of 5 lakh rupees. There is investment of 10 lakh rupees. There is stationery of 100 rupees. There is medicine of 50 rupees. There is office tools 70 rupees. Now, according to me, land and building is of 5 lakh rupees, which is a huge amount. According to me, land and building is of huge amount, so this is important. बहुत ज़्यादा amount का है, it is important. Investment is again of huge amount. Investment are of 10 lakh rupees. बहुत ज़्यादा amount है. This is material. This is material. Then stationery is only of 100 rupees. Stationery सिर्फ 100 रुपए की है. So I don't think that 100 rupees is material. It is not material. ज़रूरी नहीं है. Medicine only of 50 rupees, not material. Office tool only 70 rupees, not material. So land and building is important. It is a material fact. But stationery, medicine, office tool, it is not material. Now, materiality concept says that you should not waste your efforts on presenting the immaterial fact. Materiality concept बोलता है आपको अपना टाइम खराब करने की जरूरत नहीं है materiality fact पे, but it does not say anywhere that you will not record it. वो सिर्फ ये कहता है कि आपको टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना. It is not saying that you will not record it. So I will record these items, but I will record the total amount. I will record this, but I will record this as a total amount. मैं अलग अलग रिकॉर्ड करके अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी. I will not waste my time in presenting each and every item because this is immaterial. So I will record this item. I will give full disclosure. मैं full disclosure दे रही हूँ. I am representing everything but together. So this is materiality concept. This is not in contradiction of full disclosure. Contradiction कहीं नहीं हुआ बच्चों. मैं सब कुछ दिखा रही हूँ but एक साथ दिखा रही हूँ. So is this clear, guys? That you will not waste your time on immaterial item. So effort should not be wasted in recording and presenting facts which are immaterial. So the question arises, what is a material fact? How will we identify that this is material, this is immaterial? हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये important है, ये important नहीं है? So you have to use your common sense over there. It depends on the nature of the item and amount involved. You have to see the nature of the item and you have to see the amount. Like in my example, I saw the nature and the amount of land and building, investment, stationery. So this materiality depends on nature and amount. For example, another example, money spent on creation of additional capacity of theatre. You are creating additional capacity of theatre. That would be material fact. If you are spending money on theatre, it would be material as it is going to increase the future earning capacity. क्योंकि when you are spending money, from that your future earning capacity will increase. So it is a material fact. So this is the materiality concept which says that You have to focus more. You have to focus more on important thing and focus less on the immaterial item, on the less important thing. Now tell me, is this clear concept? Is this concept clear? Clear, Tanisha? Clear, Naman? Clear? Yes, Mahesh, Sharini, Gunsha. Yes, all the fixed assets are material, guys. All the fixed assets, furniture, machinery, land and building, all of them are material because they are of huge amount. A large amount is involved. Rishika, the second example is you are spending amount on increasing the capacity of theater. There were 50 chairs in theater before. Pehle theater mein there were 50 chairs. Now you are spending money and now the chairs will be 100. Now you are spending additional money and now the chair will be 100. So is it material? Yes, it is material because your earning capacity will increase. Pehle paisa kam aata tha. Your earnings were less before. And now your earning will increase. So therefore it is material. As it will increase your future earning, therefore it is a material fact. Coming on to the next concept, which is objectivity concept. The next concept is objectivity concept. Now this concept is very easy. ये concept बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. This concept says that for every transaction that is recorded in the book, for every transaction that is recorded in the book, sorry, let me change the language. Every transaction should be recorded in the books of account. Every transaction should be recorded in the books of account based on some evidence. Every transaction should be recorded in the books of account based on some evidence. If you are recording any transaction like purchase, sale, or anything in your books, you should have some proof. You should have some evidence of that transaction. आपके पास कोई proof होना चाहिए उस transaction का. Only then you will record that transaction. So objectivity concept means that every transaction should be recorded in the books based on some strong evidence, based on some proof. Yes, voucher hota hai, there is bill, there is invoice, there is a receipt. You will record the transaction based on voucher, based on cash memo, based on invoice, based on receipt, based on bill. So these are your evidence. जब हम परचेज करते हैं हमें बिल मिलता है, so based on that bill you will record transaction. So you will record all the transaction based on the evidence. And what are the evidence? Voucher, cash memo, invoice, bill, receipt, these all are your evidence. And on these basis you will record the transaction. Hi Trader53, welcome to our channel. So let's see what is the meaning. अब देखते हैं क्या बोला है इसने. So they are saying the same thing. The objectivity principle is the concept that the financial statement of an organization should be based on solid evidence. Same चीज बोल रहे हैं that your financial statement should be based on solid evidence. आपके पास proof होना चाहिए, पक्का सबूत होना चाहिए. Then you will record the transaction. नाउ इसके पीछे हमारा मोटिव क्या है? इसके पीछे हमारा मोटिव क्या है? Rishika, please ask it at the end of the session. Please ask it at the end of the session and then I will explain it. The intention behind this principle is to keep the management and to keep the accounting department away from producing financial statements that are slanted by their opinion and bias. We want to avoid the financial statements that are based on personal bias and different opinion. We want to stop the personal bias. So we are recording everything based on some evidence. So there will be less chances of fraud. There will be less chances of personal bias because I have to record everything based on some proof. So I cannot affect those accounts by my personal bias. If I want to make any changes by my own, I cannot do that. So this will avoid fraud. This will reduce the chances of personal bias. So इससे धोखे के fraud के chances कम हो जाएंगे. And this is the intention behind this principle, behind this concept. Bias means भेदभाव. Bias means discrimination. Bias means discrimination, भेदभाव. For example of objectivity concept is the transaction for purchase. If you are recording purchase, it will be recorded based on cash receipt. You will record it on the basis of cash receipt. If the same is purchased on cash, then you will record it on the basis of invoice, on the basis of delivery challan if it is purchased on credit. So you will record the transaction on the basis of invoice, receipt, bill and other evidence. So is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Harsh, your starting chapters, about 5 to 6 chapters in your syllabus are theoretical, and then your 6 to 7 chapter will be practical. So first we have to cover the basic part, the first 5 to 6 chapter, and then only we can go to the practical part now. So this is objectivity concept. Now I got a doubt. So one student was asking for, ma'am, in the book it is written that the true financial can be known only when it closes down. Because when your business is closed, at the end of the year you can find out the profit or loss. Na? You cannot find out the profit or loss in between the year. So therefore it is said that true financial position can only be known when it is closes down. You can only find out the financial position, the profit or loss at the end of the year, not before that. Yes, Neetu, it is CBSE Commerce. Now I got one doubt. What is contingent liability? What is contingent liability? So contingent liability means a liability which may arise or may not arise, which may arise or may not arise. वो liability जो हो भी सकती है और जो नहीं भी हो सकती in future. So a liability which may arise or which may not arise in future. For example, court case. For example, court case. So if I win the court case, I need not pay anything. If I win the court case, I need not pay anything. So liability will not arise. Liability will not arise. But if I lose the case, then I have to pay money. I have to pay compensation. So liability will arise. So contingent liability is the liability which may arise or which may not arise. So contingent liability example is court case, guarantee. These all are contingent liability, जो हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती. Is it clear? Okay, Sandhya. Hi, Narendra. Hi, Nitisha. So I hope that it is clear to everyone and we have completed all the concept now. Yes, Astha? No, you have write it down in the comment box na, so I will reply there. Don't worry, I will reply there. So guys, now we have completed all the accounting concept. There were total 13 accounting concept and you can see we have completed all of them. इसको रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है. Yes, you record it. You will record it. So, similarly in objectivity concept, similarly receipt for the amount paid for purchase of machine. If you are purchasing a machine, according to objectivity concept, you will record it based on the receipt. जब आप मशीनरी परचेज करोगे, you will receive a receipt and based on that receipt you will record it, because the receipt will become the evidence for the cost of machine and it provides the basis for verifying the transaction. So all the transactions will be recorded on the basis of some evidence and that is objectivity concept. So that's it for today, guys. In this session, we have completed 3 accounting concepts: materiality concept, objectivity concept, and conservatism concept. Finally, your concepts are completed. Now we will do the very important thing in the next session, basis of accounting. How we do accounting, what is the basis of accounting. So this will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Yes, I read all the comments, guys. If you are writing anything in comment, I will read that in after the session. So Bhumika, tomorrow we will do basis of accounting. And as I have already told you guys, on 30th May, your favorite master teachers will be coming live to tell you everything about CMA. So stay tuned for the session on 30th May at 12:30 p.m. So go and register yourself now so that you can watch Sriraj sir and Disha ma'am live for this very important session. Thank you, Ranjana. Thank you so much. Good night, legends. The link is given below, Tanisha, so you can go to that link and register yourself. So if you guys want to attend more such live classes with me, अगर आपको ऐसी और अच्छी classes मेरे साथ attend करनी है, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. Which type of concept will come from this chapter? A 3-mark question will come, Rishika, and they will it will be a direct question that explain business entity concept, explain materiality concept, explain consistency concept. So direct question will come, a theoretical question. So in Pro Subscription, you guys will get full access to more than 5,000 hours of live courses. You can attend unlimited live classes. And all these subjects will be covered in detail with exclusive tests and assignments. Thank you, Ranjana. All your sessions will be conducted in English. You guys will be learning from India's best teachers in their live session. All your doubts solved with the live class. And you guys can learn from home from any device. So unlimited live classes कैसे होंगी? Tanisha, यहाँ पर there is only one class of account in a day. But in Pro Subscription, you can attend up to 4 classes of accounts in one day from different teachers. तो इन प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन आप एक दिन में कितनी भी क्लासेस अटेंड कर सकते हो of different teachers also. So this means that you will be getting unlimited live classes. So for 11th class we have some special offers. Your 1 month plan, the original price is 3,000, but we are providing flat 10% discount, so you have to pay only 2,700. Nilesh, live classes, they have already started. So जैसे आप pro subscription join करोगे, you will be getting the live classes. Thank you Ranjana, thank you so much. Also you can take 12-month plan which is available for 30,599, or you can take 24-month plan. 24-month plan is only available for you guys. So get the 24-month plan which is available only for 42,299. So what are you waiting for? Go and take your pro subscription right now. And my long-term batches are starting from 14th June. So if you want to join me for full year, if you want to join my batch for full year, so it is starting from 14th June. So go and take the pro subscription at 10% discount by using my code SCPRO. So go and join this and do join me in my long-term batch. So if you want to receive our YouTube notes, अगर आपको हमारे YouTube notes चाहिए, then go and join this Telegram group. The link of this group is given in the description box. And if you are new to the channel, or if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe it so that आप daily YouTube पर live classes देख पाएं. Also make sure that you hit the like button below, you hit the thumbs up button, and you share it along with your friends. So do like, share and subscribe. Thank you Rishika. Thank you Soumya. Rahman, my name is Sheetal Chaudhary. Okay Ranjana. So now see you all in the next session tomorrow at 7 PM. तो कल मिलते हैं 7 बजे. Till then, please stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So if you really enjoyed it, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. So bye bye guys. See you all tomorrow. And do let me down in the comments box below that how was this session. तो comments में लिखो कि कैसा था session.